Alright, so now we are going to be replacing the ball joints, the lower ball joints, on the Cheeto because the trailing arm ball joints are shot and it makes a lot of bad noises. So these ball joints are not that fun to do. I have two new ones sitting in the freezer. They've been in the freezer for over a day. We're gonna do the lower two and see if that fixes it. And then if it doesn't, we're gonna do the upper two. Alright, so trailing arm ball joints are one of the main causes of a lot of rear end clunks on E36s. It's one of the more common things that causes clunks. It's definitely not the only thing that causes clunks. How you can check if they're bad is if your wheel is in the air, and you have side to side play, in and out. You can hear it.
Yeah, you can definitely hear it.
And if you put your hand on the ball joint, you can feel it moving in and out.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I can see it.
Yeah.
I can see it.
Control arm. Just gonna
They're nice.
pop down and kick it, yeah?
Pop down and kick it. All right, put the wheel on, set it up. Just kidding. We're ready to go.
What you want from a ball joint tool, whatever you're going to use to pull it, is you want to make sure, and these are not the ones that I have in the freezer, you want to make sure that the ball joint will fit inside. And you can see this is a new one. Like that is not moving.
Yeah.
Like,
I mean, like,
they're solid.
Yeah.
They're stout. So,
Are there upgradable ones?
no, you just replace them.
You just replace them?
Well, they're metal spherical ball bearings.
Yeah, so there's not really.
It's not really. It's not like an upgraded thing. You know, it's like
Yeah.
they're broken or they're new. You know?
Yeah. You heard it here first. They're broken or they're new.
Yeah. And so this is my bolt kit. So you want a bolt, a washer, and a nut that'll slide through. So pretty much what we're gonna do is set that up. So that's in the trailing arm on the car, right? And then bing bada boom, and then you just tighten that, and that's gonna walk that in. And this is bracing itself up against the trailing arm.
And that's
And
taking it out, right?
It's taking it out, yeah. So to get it in, it's actually not even that bad. What we do is, because the ones I have in the freezer are frozen, and so they're cold, so they're a little bit smaller. So we're gonna put a little bit of anti-seize in the trailing arm. And this is a 1 7/16 socket. This fits perfectly like that. So what you want to do when you're pressing it in or hammering it in is get a socket that'll fit and touch the metal and not touch the actual
That way it doesn't push it
That way
out.
it doesn't push it out, exactly. So we're just gonna put this on there and then take a big old hammer and just
Big old Johnny.
knock it in, and then we'll be done.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Bada boom. You know what I'm saying?
We'll place some ball joints.
Alright.
Come on. There we go. What the?
You gotta angle it down. Angle it down. Like that. So I got a crescent wrench, and the only OSHA violation is I don't have a 19 impact, so we're using a 3/8
Non-impact.
19 with a
An adapter.
1/2-inch adapter, so don't mind that. And you gotta hold the wrench. Jesus. You wanna run the impact? Atta boy. Look at that.
Ball joints out. And
Yeah, so just-
sockets on.
Let's just back it off. Yeah, the ball joint usually doesn't stay in one piece.
Yep.
Alright, so we took a little bit of sandpaper and just kind of cleaned it up. Cleaned up some of the lips. And so now Daniel-san is putting grease on. Get a good amount. Get a solid amount. Here's your install socket. And your hammer. And all you have to do is make sure it's started straight and just start pounding away.
Cold.
Small.
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 How's that looking? I would say that's in.
Nope, we're way zoomed in. Alright, final result. A replaced trailing arm ball joint. Give it a shake, see how much movement it has.
Zero.
Zero, none, nothing.
Absolutely zero.
That's what I'm saying, yeah.
That is negative 32 degrees.
Stout. Yours is way better than fucking.
It's not saying much.
I look at that thing and I hear the CVs clicking.
CVs, yeah, but suspension wise, other than the actuals, you know what I mean? I could hear you moving it like bad. Oh, yeah, see, this is that noise that you're hearing right now. So do it. Oh, yeah, dude,
We can hear that as we're transitioning.
yeah, you can see it on camera on this one.
Good. Feel the upper one. Yeah, you have to pull the brakes apart just to get at them. That's probably went bad.
Probably. Get all that dirt and shit in there. You know, because you went off like 7 times the last.
Alright, on you.
Ready?
Yep.
That it?
There she blows. And that shot honestly could not have been better. That was like so perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was sick. I'm not even gonna edit that. Just a little bit of sanding. Throw some good grease on that, Johnny. For smacking. Or I guess I could try. Here.
I can do it right here.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah, you do got just a little bit more to go. Okay. Perfect.
Good?
Yep.
Cool.
All right. That's all, folks. We got our bushings replaced, or our ball joints. Hot dog, we're gonna start messing around with e-brake line stuff, but that's gonna be a standalone video because people who wanna know how to run their handbrake line kit don't have to sit through 10 minutes of ball joint stuff.
Yeah.
So, good times. I'll see you guys later.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are